Chanika. Now I just want to ask, today's date is 19th of November, and I just want to ask from all of you that we were on exercise 8. I believe 2. 8.2 we have completed, I believe, or just it was left something.
Ma'am, 8.
Anyone please tell me. In your class, I'm not very sure that where we were. Because yesterday also there was no class.
Ma'am, I think we are 8.1.
Yes, Ayushi, you please. No, 8.1 was already. 8.2 भी हो चुका था. Almost we are question number 3 हो चुका है, 4 हो चुका है. This was. I am just Ishika. Will you inform me? You are attending the classes regularly. Beta, where we were?
Ma'am, something.
अच्छा Ishika.
Ma'am, there is
Anvesha. हाँ बेटा, please speak Pratyushi, where we were.
Ma'am, ask to Anika.
Yes, ma'am, I'm telling. Ma'am,
Please tell faster.
Ma'am, question 10, application based question from exercise 8.1. Ma'am, this was homework, and after that we have to continue from this.
Ma'am, that only I was telling.
We have given
question number
question
10.
6 and 10. Question 6 and 10, and the rest of you have to teach and we have to do that.
अच्छा 6 से related करना था हम लोगों को. 6 से related 10 वाला I have given homework for you all, and question number 7 से we have to do it. हाँ.
Ma'am, means question 6 was homework and question 10 was homework.
हाँ, so that it means we have to start from 7th number question, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. हाँ, yes, question number 6 and 10 was similar, no? So question number 6 was taught by me. So question number 7 say we have to do it. Okay, let's start that. Question number 7 says, Ayushi, what are you showing?
Ma'am, decimal.
Acha, हाँ, yes, decimal. Absolutely correct, Ayushi. Yes, we were on question number 7 and this exercise 8.1. Question number 7 says that between which two whole numbers on the number line are the given numbers lie. Now, which of the two whole numbers is nearer to the number? Now, before I come to this question, I just want to ask from each one of you, can you reply this message, this question? How many numbers, how many decimal numbers? Okay. How many decimal numbers lie between two given numbers? Yes. First, I want reply of this on my chat box only, that what do you think? How many numbers lie between two numbers? How many decimal numbers lie between two numbers? Like for example, if you have a number 3 and you have a number 4. Okay? If you have a number 3 and one number is 4. Now, can you tell me how many numbers will come between 3 and 4? I want answer in the chat box. No, beta, don't speak. Please write it down in the chat box. I am already reading it. What you people are writing, because I want to know what is the answer of which student. Okay, let me see. I have got the answer 1, infinite, 10, Ishika, infinite, Kavya, infinite.
Ma'am, okay. Not seeing the question.
But the question I already read it, no? How many numbers lie between two given numbers? Between 3 and 4, suppose. Yes, absolutely correct for some of these students, and for some of these students it is little wrong. Let me tell you one thing, beta. This question, if it comes like how many fractional numbers comes between two numbers, then also the answer comes infinite. And here also the answer is infinite. Now let's prove it. How it is infinite? Number तो 3 के बाद 4 दिख रहा है. But how can we prove it? Now look at here. Suppose we have a number 3 and one we have a number 4. ठीक है? ये नंबर है
Ma'am,
हमारे
your
पास.
screen is
We
very
can
blurred.
write 3.0
Yes.
and 4 will be written as 4.0. Beta, please be with me properly. It will be proper. I will be sharing the recording. I will also observe my recording once. Okay. 3.0 and this can be written as 4.0. So if you want to write 3 can be written as 3.0 and 4 can be written as 4.0. Okay. And suppose if you are having this number, it can be treated as, अगर हमको 3.0 और 4.0 के अकॉर्डिंग करेंगे तो इट विल बी, एक नंबर आ जाएगा इसके बीच में 3.1, एक नंबर आ जाएगा 3.2, एक नंबर आ जाएगा 3.3, एक नंबर आ जाएगा 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and this is 4.0 only. अब देखो 9 नंबर्स तो बेटा वैसे ही आ गए बीच में, आ गए 9 नंबर्स आ गए इनके बीच में, 3 और 4 के बीच में 9 नंबर्स आ गए. ठीक है. अब हम कोई भी एक नंबर पिक कर लेते हैं कहीं से भी. सपोज मैंने पिक किया ये दोनों. ठीक है. इन दोनों के बीच में देखते हैं कितने नंबर आते हैं, 3.4 और 3.5 के बीच में. ठीक है. So this is 3.4, this is 3.5. Let us see how many numbers come between 3.4 and 3.5. So this is 3.4, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 3.40 and this we can write it down as a 3.50. ठीक है. And if you want to write it down the numbers in between 3.4 and 3.50, you know that it will be as 3.41, 3.42, 3.43, 3.44, 3.45, 3.46, 3.47, 3.48, 3.49 and 3.50 पहले से लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है. अब देखो यहाँ पर कैसे हुआ, इन दोनों के बीच में टोटल 9 नंबर थे और इसमें जो 9 नंबर थे उसमें हर नंबर के बीच में 9 नंबर है. ठीक है. अब इसमें से कोई नंबर पिक कर लो जो तुम्हारी इच्छा करे. ठीक है. सपोज मैंने ले लिया 3.44 एंड 3.45, 3.44, 3.45. ठीक है. अब इसके बीच में देखते हैं. नाउ वी कैन राइट डाउन दिस लाइक दिस एंड वी कैन राइट इट डाउन दिस लाइक दिस. ठीक है. 3.440, 3.450. अगेन 9 नंबर्स विल कम इन बिटवीन. 3.440 के बाद क्या आ जाएगा, 3.441. सेम थिंग 3.442, 3.443 लाइक दिस. ठीक है. अब नाउ यू ओनली सी कि कोई भी नंबर हम उठा लें, कोई भी नंबर पिक कर ले, हम लोगों को बीच में 9, 9, 10, 10 नंबर्स मिल रहे हैं. इट मीन्स यू शुड सी द लिस्ट इज वेरी लॉन्ग. आपको जितने नंबर चाहिए यू कैन फाइंड इट आउट बिटवीन एनी 2 नंबर्स. So you cannot say only one number. You can find it out infinite numbers between 2 given numbers. Is it fine to everyone? Understood or not?
Ma'am, board is blurred, but I can't see anything. That's why. Ma'am, it is very much blurred.
Just a minute. Let me
Yes,
connect.
ma'am, the board is very much.
एक मिनट बेटा, एक मिनट. Let me. एक काम करते हैं.
Ma'am, today your network is not good, I think.
Wait na beta, wait. It will just give it to me 1 minute. Let me connect with Toya. Just saying it's clear.
Yeah, ma'am, the board is
How-
clear.
Toya
Ma'am,
just
it's
saying
clear
it
to
is-
me also.
Beta, it means it is problem of network.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, in my yes.
ma'am, we are able to read what is on the board, but it is showing on my screen that Durgeshwari Sharma's network bandwidth is low.
Decimal numbers come between 2 given numbers. ठीक है. So this is understood or not? Please write it down in chat box. Yes or no. This question is understood or not? Write it down. Yes or no in the chat box, please.
Ma'am, the board is not visible.
Yes. Thank you very much. Beta, now it will be visible, please. Your network is not good. I have now connected with laptop. Sorry, Geo. Okay. So here the answer would be infinite. Now moving on to question. ठीक है, moving on to question. Question number 7 says 0.8 is a number and it is asking from us which two whole numbers on the number line are given numbers lie. Now look at here. It is asking 0.8 किस number के बीच में belong करता है, ठीक है. Now look at here. What to see? 0.8 दिया हुआ है, आपको यहाँ पर नंबर देखना है कि किस नंबर के बीच में बिलोंग करेगा, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज 0.8, इट मीन्स इट विल बिलोंग टू 0 to 1. 0.8 will belong to 0 to 1 because here it is 0. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर ये नंबर 0 से बिलोंग करेगा, इसके +1 मतलब 0 से 1 के बीच में बिलोंग करेगा. एंड इफ एनीवन इज आस्किंग कि किस नंबर के क्लोजर होगा, 0 के क्लोजर होगा या 1 के क्लोजर होगा. नाउ लुक एट हियर, दिस इज 0 एंड दिस इज 1. 0.0, दिस इज 1.0. ठीक है. नाउ इट इज आस्किंग किस नंबर से क्लोजर होगा. देखो यहाँ पे 0.5 आ जाएगा, ठीक है, और 0.6 यहाँ रहेगा, 0.7 यहाँ रहेगा, 0.8 यहाँ रहेगा और 0.9 यहाँ रहेगा. नाउ किससे ज्यादा क्लोजर है ये क्लोजर है 1.0 से, बिकॉज 0 से बहुत दूर है. ठीक है, इट इज क्लोजर टू 1, नॉट क्लोजर टू 0. इट इज क्लोजर टू 1. गॉट इट और नॉट? प्लीज टेल मी. नियरर.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
1. Nearer to 1. Now, what is the shortcut? Shortcut means if you must be thinking कि मैम सब में नंबर लाइन बनाना पड़ेगा, बिल्कुल नहीं बनाना पड़ेगा. How will you choose it? Which will be closer to this? It will depend on this number, decimal 10th number. 10th place you have to, it will decide that किस नंबर के क्लोजर होगा. If it is less than 5, आपने राउंड ऑफ पढ़ा था, बिल्कुल राउंड ऑफ की तरह होगा. If it is less than 5, it will be closer to this number. If it is more than 5, it will be closer to that number. ठीक है. For example, if you have a number, हाँ.
Ma'am, if it will be more than 10, then?
More than 10 होगा ही नहीं ना बेटा. More than 10 होगा ही नहीं. Suppose अगर आपका नंबर ऐसा है 0.43, अगर ये नंबर है, तब भी आपको बेटा ये देखना है केवल. This place you have to see. ठीक है. You will not see the last place. You will only see this place. ठीक है. Now moving on to next one related to your book only. The question is asking from us 6.4. कहाँ belong करेगा? Now think and write it down in the chat box. What do you think? Where it will lie? See, deciding by this number. This is whole number, no? So this will be deciding किस number से बीच में belong करेगा. This is 6. So it will belong to 6 to 7. 6 और 7. 6 और उसके बाद वाला नंबर, तो 6 to 7 के बीच में belong करेगा. Now this is 4. 4 means it is less than 5. It means it will be nearer to 6, not 7. ठीक है, nearer to 6, not 7. ठीक है. Now I am writing one question related to it. You tell me what should be the answer. 9.1. What do you think? Where it will lie? 9.1. Think. Beta, please answer in chat box. Answer in chat box. Answer in chat box only. Very good. I am asking 2 numbers. बेटा 2 numbers आएंगे ना. 2 numbers, किन 2 numbers के बीच में आएगा? Write it down 2 numbers. Don't write only 1 number. Write it down 2 numbers. On which number it will lie? Yes. Now good. 9 to 10. Absolutely correct. 9 to 10. ठीक है. It will lie. Yash, this is not your class, beta. Yash, this is not your class. This is class 8. So this is class 6. This is not class 8. It's 9.1. So it will lie between 9 to 10. ठीक है. It will lie between 9 to 10. 9 से 10 के बीच belong करेगा because this place is 9. So 9 से 10 के बीच में. Now which number it will be closer to? It will, here it is 1, so it will be closer
Ma'am,
to
9.
9. Absolutely, closer to 9. So this question will be done like this only. Yes, Toyaj, please tell me what doubt you have.
Ma'am, what is the answer of this? Ma'am, when the question is like 1.5, so which 1.5 is closer to which number?
I am telling you. Just a minute. Okay. Suppose if your number is 1.5. सबसे पहले तो it will lie, here is 1, so it will lie between 1 to 2.
1 and 2.
Okay. Now, yes. Now you can write it down. दो आंसर इसमें लिख सकते हो बेटा. कि it will lie in middle. It will lie in middle of 1 and 2. ठीक है, ये आंसर जाएगा. This answer you will write it down. Or if you want to write it then to which will be closer, remember we always take it closer to 5. It's closer to 2. Why? Let me tell you reason behind it. Because आपने round off पढ़ा है ना बेटा, rounding off पढ़ा है, उसमें group बनाते थे 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. अगर इनमें से कोई प्लेस यहाँ पर है, it means closer to 1. और अगर आपके पास है 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it means closer to 2. ठीक है, for closer to 2, this number will be there. Closer to 1, this number would be there.
Ma'am, we can write both the answers.
या तो आप ये लिख दो simply it will be सकते हो. ठीक है, you can write it down both the answers. So it या के तो आप लिखोगे it will lie in middle of 1 and 2, or you can write it down the answer this also, that it will be nearer to 2. It is fine, Toyaj. Now have I answered your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now moving on to the next question. This was question number 7. Now I am moving with question number 8 now. Question number 8 says to us that show the following number on the number line. Show the following number on the number line. So here number line, just now if you remember, I have just shown you how to draw number line. Okay, let me take one more example of it. Suppose I have a question like 1.9. Suppose you have a question 1.9. So सबसे पहले you should see 1.9 किसके बीच में आएगा. Now you tell me 1.9 will lie between which two whole numbers? Tell me faster. जल्दी से. In chat box only. 1.9. बेटा don't write only 2. दो नंबर्स के बीच में आता है ना, ये दो नंबर्स लिखने हैं आपको, एक नंबर नहीं लिखना है. Yes. Now correct answer. 1, 2, 2. Absolutely correct. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. It means it will lie between 1 to 2. Absolutely correct. Now we will draw the number line after deciding. Now this is 1 and this is 2. सबसे पहले लिख दिया हमने 1 and दूसरा लिख दिया हमने 1 to 2. Now it will be written as 1.0 and this can be written as 2.0. लिख दिया 1.0 and 2.0. Now let us write down the number in between. This is 1.0, this is 2.0. So the first number would be 1.1. Second number would be 1.2. Third number will be 1.3. Fourth number will be 1.4. उसके बाद आएगा 1.5. इसको ऊपर हटा देते हैं. 1.5. 1 to 2. हाँ. 1.5. Now 1.6. Now 1.7. 1.8. 1.9. Is it okay now? I have done one mistake because I have done one mistake. What mistake I did it here? Because here it is little closer and here थोड़ा सा space ज़्यादा है. But आपको equally बनाना है, ठीक है? You have to make it equal. Don't make it so closer. It should be equal gapping. ठीक है? It should be equal gapping. ठीक है? Somebody is continuously unmuted and let me see who is there. It's Lakshya. Yes, thank you. So here now we have to locate 1.9. So what I will do, I will just make a mark little up and write it down A, and 1.9 is already shown here. Okay. So this is the complete solution. How will you do that? Okay. Should I give you one question? Will you try? 2.3. Locate on number line. Just you have a scale, pencil, everything. Please draw on number line. Then this exercise will get completed. Do faster, please.
2.3.
Yes, it's 2.3. Do faster, please. Question is to draw on number line. You have a scale pencil, you have your fair copy also. I will request you to draw faster on your fair copy. Draw on your fair copy.
I'm done.
Good, very good. Are you drawing on? Are you? Beta, somebody is again unmuted. Please take care of your mic, please. Yes. So all the students, please do this question very faster. I have told you to draw on number line, okay? Not to only write it down. You have to just, first one, this number will lie between 2 to 3. ये number बीच में किसके आएगा? 2 से 3 के बीच में, ठीक है? And then we will draw this. First number would be 2.0 and here the number would be 3.0. Now you have to lie between, so it will give you 2.1. Then second number would be 2.2. Third number would be 2.3. Fourth number will be 2.4. Fifth number would be 2.5. Then 2.6. Then 2.7. Then 2.8. Then 2.9. Okay, and you want 2.3. So we will mark this in a darker way and we will write it down B. Okay. Okay. So this will be the way of doing question number 8. Okay. Now moving on to question number 9. Question number 9 says us that you have a number line drawn. ठीक है, एक पहले से number line draw की गई है बेटा, ठीक है? And this number line has some points on it. कुछ points पहले से mark किए गए हैं question number 9 में. There are some points which are already marked as A, B, C, D on the given number line. So what to do? You have to first, without seeing the point, आपको point देखना ही नहीं है. सबसे पहले 0 लिखा हुआ है, तो आपको 0 से लेकर पूरा यहाँ पे बीच में कहीं पर 1 लिखा है. फिर 1 के बाद बीच में कहीं पर 2 लिखा है. तो सबसे पहले what you do? Just start marking 0 से लेकर के. Now how will you do that? It is 0.0. This is 1.0. This is 2.0. Now you have your book. Take your pencil. Don't do this question in your fair copy. Don't do this question on your fair copy. Start doing like this from here only. 0.0 है. सबसे पहला वाला हो जाएगा 0.1. Then it would be 0.2. Then it would be 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. ऐसे करके you start marking. If you have pencil, start writing in book directly. Start writing in book directly. और जहां पर जो नाम आ जा रहा है, सपोज A है, अगर A आपका कहां पर आ रहा है? 0.8 पे आ रहा है ना, 0.8 पे आ रहा है. Now you have to mark 0.8 like this. ठीक है? So you have to write it down कि on your number line what position is coming of A and B, C and D. Are you getting what I am trying to say of question number 9 or not? If yes, please write it down yes in the chat box. If understood, write it down yes in the chat box. What to do? Nidhi says yes. What about other? If not understood, then do you write it down? Pratyushi, आप अपनी पेंसिल लीजिए और अपनी बुक निकालिए और बुक में 0.1 से 0 से लेके 1 के बीच में कौन से नंबर आएंगे? अभी जस्ट हम लोगों ने नंबर लाइन में करके देखा. Start writing that numbers in between. Abhisarg, you too, beta. Take your. You have book, Abhisarg and Pratyushi.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 में कोई ए एंड बी नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 में केवल नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ की गई है. उस नंबर लाइन पे आपको नंबर्स लिखने हैं खुद से, ठीक है. और नंबर लाइन जब आप नंबर लिख दोगे तो उसके बाद आपको चेक करना है कि ए पॉइंट पे कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है, बी पॉइंट पे कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है, सी पे कौन सा आ रहा है, डी पे कौन सा आ रहा है. दैट्स इट. ओके Abhisarg and Pratyushi, are you getting what I am telling you? But for that you need book. I cannot tell you on the board because it is a huge number line. So you have to write by your own on your number line कि कौन सा number किसके बीच में आएगा. Is it okay? Pratyushi and Abhisarg, it is fine beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now question number 10. देखो question number 10 में क्या करना है. Now question number 10 is already given homework. So just need to tell you what to do. Question number 10 was given A. The length of Ramesh notebook is 9 centimeter 5 millimeter. ठीक है. And the question asks what will be the length in centimeter. If you remember, we have done this question. How to convert. ठीक है. If you remember, we have done this question now. 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. We have done this. So it will give you 9.5 centimeter for the first one. And second question asks us that the length of a young gram plant is 65 millimeter. 65 millimeter. What will be the length in centimeter? Again the same process. 65 by 10, which will give us 6.5 centimeter, which was already discussed by us. This method was already done by us. How to convert?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This exercise is totally completed now. 6.1 is absolutely done. Now your homework would be to do the question number. This exercise you will complete, and question number 3rd and 4th you will be doing at your home. Okay. Of exercise 8.2 question number. Acha, I will write it down this homework on your chat box. Okay. On your personal wall or WhatsApp. Okay. Is it okay? Any other question from this exercise? Anika, please stop recording, beta. Save the recording.